Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Arif. Welcome back again. So today I have come here for taking some hay for my cow, and I will cut the hay for my cow. Okay. So after coming here, guys, I see there was stay, but the rat has cut it all the straw. The rat has cut it. Mouse cut it. For example, you can see that a rat has cut it all the straw. So what I will say, the mouse has destroyed all the straw, and I have to took it again. And I will take some straw here. And some straw, right? Some straw. And I'm taking some straw with the kasa. Kasat kore kichu straw nilam. Now I will go this way for cutting. Okay. So a long time I don't cut something. I don't cut straw for my cow. The cow is waiting for eating. Okay. So will you eat? Do you wanna eat? Yeah, it's very hungry. Okay. Oh, sorry, don't fight with me. Hey, where is the cutter? Where is the knife? This is the knife, but it's small knife. Give me the knife, please. Give me the knife, please. Thank you. Devar shamay kauke here you are bolba. Okay. I have to set up the knife here, and I will keep that again. Okay, I will cut. Where is the grass? There is some grass here. I have cut it from the land. This grass with the stake, right? I'll go there. Okay. I will cut now. All the stuff. It's not easy. It's so hard, right? Not easy. Why are you laughing? Yeah. It's not very easy. And I have to cut some straw. I'm cutting hay for the cow. This is my daily routine, bro. Sometimes I cut hay for my cow. There is another goat here. This is my goat, and it will come. Come here. Come here. It's coming. Finally, it's come. And I'm cutting the grass. It's fresh. I have cut it from the land. This grass. The goat is eating grass. It's very tasty grass, but I haven't eaten. The goat is eating. Okay, I'm cutting the grass from here. I will cut the grass again. Okay, adjusting hay and grass. I have to give the cow. Adjusting that. Okay. Now I'm cutting. মানে আমি কাটতেছি না। I'm cutting. আমি কাটতেছি। হেই মানে নারা খের। আর grass মানে তো grassy. What are you doing? Go from here. Go from here. Go from here. Go back. Go back. Go back. And I have to cut more grass. More grass. Grass is free. It seems like that. I eat that. But I'm not the goat. That's why I'm not eating. I'm the human, right? I'm the human. So now I will adjust the grass with the straw. I will adjust that. Oh, I'm adjusting that. Oh, it's look like very nice. Very nice. I will give that to the cow. Can you eat? I'll put that. And the cow is very happy at this time because he has food. He will eat at this time. And it will eat very easily. And another way you are watching, the goat is eating from the sake, eating grass from the sake. So my dear viewers, so how is the video? And leave a comment in comment box. And if you think I should make this type of video again, so I will make this type of video. Okay, thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.